Welcome to Smart Investing at Your Library, an online course. This video is a helpful step-by-step guide to helping you log on and use the Smart Investing online course. The first step in gaining access to the Smart Investing online course is creating an account. So let's do that first. Open a browser and enter in the URL courses.extension.iastate.edu. This brings us to the courses page for Extension. Let's go over here and click on Finances. Here is where we're going to find Smart Investing courses for you to use. For right now, let's just click on Starting Out for an example. Because we're not registered, we cannot get to the Starting Out course. So we need to create a new account. Click on Create New Account here. You're going to have to fill in all this information to get access to the courses. So let's walk through this. Begin, choose a username and a password. Enter in an email address. And then click here on Create My New Account. Soon you should receive account confirmation email. As seen here, you'll get this email and will give you access to the course with a URL in the email. Click on this URL to open the page. This is just a confirmation that I have already registered. Click Courses to continue. This takes us back to the main courses page with Extension. We're going to go back down to Finances. And again, click on Smart Investing Starting Out, just for an example. And here's where we're going to enter in the information that we just submitted. Here's an important point. Before you can get to the course, you must submit an enrollment key. This key will be the same for all courses. It is lowercase spelled out the word INVEST, I-N-V-E-S-T, and just click Enroll Me in this course. Now that you've enrolled, you can see the Smart Investing course of your choice. This is going to be your main page for your Smart Investing at Your Library online course. Before we begin going through the course itself, let's look at some computer requirements that you need in order to run this course. First, click here on Minimum Computer Requirements. Here's a list of things that you need to look for on your computer to be able to actually go through the Smart Investing online course. One thing that I think you need to look at is updating your Flash player. You'll need this in order to see the videos that are incorporated into the online course, and also Adobe Reader. There will be many worksheets that you need to take a look at, so make sure you update this as well. If you feel that your computer doesn't meet these requirements, you can go to your local library. They will have computers available for you to go through the course. Here's some key features that I kind of want to point out right now. As you can see, these icons illustrate certain aspects of the course. For instance, this movie reel demonstrates that there's a video for you to watch. This person with a screen represents a mini lecture. Use this page to understand the key. The third step before you begin the course is going to be watching the course introduction video. Let's take a look at that now. As you can see, it didn't pop up on its own, so I'm going to click Course Introduction Video here.
Welcome to Smart Investing. This is a 4-week course developed by Iowa State University Extension that could make a big difference in your life. I know that's a bold statement, but it's true.
What you're seeing here is an introduction video to the entire course that kind of illustrates how the course is going to function. There are 3 different courses for Smart Investing that correspond to your age and financial situation.
This smart investing class is targeted to those people who are building up their investment portfolios. Let's say the baby boomer crowd.
This smart investing class is targeted to those people who are near retirement or have already retired.
Make sure in order to view the video, you've updated your Adobe Flash Player. Let's get into the course itself. Smart Investing is divided into 4 week courses. When you finish the first week's activities, watch for the posting of the next week's lessons on Monday mornings. By the way, the previous lessons will stay posted on the website in case you want to go back and review them or spend some additional time on some activities. We're just going to walk through week 1 for right now. First up, we have a mini lecture to listen to. Let's click on that.
If I had $1 million, if I had $1 million, well, I'd buy you a house. I would buy you a house.
What you see here is an Adobe Connect session that pops up. Here are your controls down here. You have a play button and 2 arrows to move slides back and forth.
There are several things you can do to get ready to invest.
As you can see, this course isn't that long, but you will be watching all these slides with the audio. If you want to revisit something, simply click back.
There are several things you can do to get ready to invest.
Once you finish this, close your window up here and return to the main course page. The second step of week 1 is your learning modules. Here you have 3 PDF files that are going to do the bulk of the learning you do for this week. Let's open Preparing to Invest. As you can see, the PDF file is opened in a browser, which enables you to read through clearly. Read through this information, take your time. When you're finished, again, close your browser window. Return to this window to move on to the next. The third step is reviewing the concepts you just learned in your modules. Clicking this just moves the page forward to go over some of the concepts that were covered this week. Just click back to return to that main page. The fourth step is watching the starting out video. This is a video that features 2 families that discuss their approaches to investing. Again, if the video doesn't automatically pop up, click here to start the video.
I am an employee here at Iowa State University. I originally came here in 1992 as a student, so I completed my undergraduate degree here and also my graduate degree. And I'm originally from...
Just to mention, you can pause the video and control volume over here. Be patient as the video loads. When you're finished, close the window. And you can push the back button to return to the main page. The 5th step of week 1 is visiting the discussion forum. Each week you'll have a chance to go into the discussion forum and think about what you've learned. Let's visit this discussion forum and see what we find. This forum is an opportunity to speak with the instructor, but also people who are going through the course itself. Perhaps you want to add in your own thoughts. You can simply click reply and add your own message here. Just simply click Post to Forum. Here you will see our post we just added. If you're patient, I'm sure the instructor will post a response to your question. Let's move on to step 6. Complete the Goal Setting and Financial Planning worksheet. Here's another PDF file for you. It is a worksheet that you can read through and complete. If you wish to print this, simply go up to your main menu and print the page. You can fill it out and keep it for your records. Step 7 is a quiz, Investment Risk Tolerance Quiz. Clicking this opens another browser window. It takes you to a website that you can then fill out this quiz. Step 8, Thinking About Investing worksheet. again, a PDF you can open and read through and fill out answers to these questions. Number 9, we have Check Your Knowledge Self-Test. This is going to be an online quiz you take within the program. Take some time. Fill out these answers. When you're finished, submit. This is going to let you know what questions you got right and wrong so you can learn from it. Finally, number 10, there are some optional activities. You can go to the Treasury Direct website, check out some books, or read through some ISU Extension publications. If you have any questions, up here in the upper left-hand corner will be the instructor and technical assistance contacts. You click on this, it will open your email and allow you to email the instructor or the technical assistance person. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope that you have an easy time going through the Smart Investing online course.